Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video we're going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on a Honda Civic 8th generation. This one is from 2006 until 2011 actually. And all you need is 4 spark plugs for the car specific. These ones are Bosch Iridium. The code for this one is 9614. For the 1.8 engine you need a 10mm socket with extension and a 5/8 socket, deep socket for the spark plugs. Those spark plugs, they give them 7 years warranty, guaranteed, really good quality, or I would recommend Bosch and NGK or Denso. This is the spark plug right there. So what we need to do is we need to open the hood, and that's where the ignition coils are, 1, 2, 3, 4, but they actually go the other way. So we're gonna start on this side. What you need to do is remove that plug, so you push down. They tend to get stuck and pull to the back. Then with a 10mm socket we need to remove the nut from the ignition coil, and we're going to pull the ignition coil out of there. Like that, it just slides in. So now with a 5/8 socket and an extension we need to take the spark plug off and see how bad it is. This one has 125,000 miles I think, and they've never been replaced. It still has the factory. If they never replace them, they should be NGK. And this is a factory spark plug that came out of it. You can see it is wore out compared to the new one. Right here the gap is a little bit bigger, right there. And this one is the NGK. And what you need to do is just put the spark plug back on the new one, put the ignition coil after that, put the nut on top and plug the wire. That's the whole procedure, really simple. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be glad to help you as much as we can. Thank you for watching us, guys, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. We upload many videos about detailing, fixing cars, and everything you can think of related to cars. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.